Step into the fascinating world of Portacabin manufacturing. In Jeddah's labor camps with our exclusive video tour. Explore the intricate process behind the creation of portable cabins, essential for various industrial and residential purposes. In this immersive journey, witness the meticulous craftsmanship and innovative techniques employed by skilled workers as they construct these versatile structures from scratch. From initial design stages to final assembly, every aspect of the manufacturing process is captured, offering insight into the precision and dedication required to produce high-quality Portacabins. Discover the state-of-the-art facilities and machinery utilized in Jeddah's labor camps, where efficiency meets excellence to meet the growing demand for portable accommodation solutions. Learn about the sustainable practices implemented to minimize environmental impact while maximizing productivity. Through engaging visuals and informative narration, this video provides a comprehensive overview of the Portacabin manufacturing industry in Jeddah. Whether you're a construction enthusiast, industry professional, or simply curious about the process behind these modular structures, this behind-the-scenes glimpse promises to inspire and enlighten.